Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and today I want to show you this Scosche MagicMount Surface with a pop socket that is very convenient for everyone who has a phone and wants to do something else while both hands are busy.
I always hated having dust on my car dashboard before sticking the mount on, but this one comes with a handy cleaning pad that makes sure the surface is spotless before applying the double-sided adhesive tape. What a relief it was to find a car mount that includes everything I need. No more searching for extra parts. It comes with a metal plate and a plastic piece to put between my phone and the metal part. This way, I don't have to worry about damaging my phone with sticky things or scratching it. The mount is my go-to companion whenever I'm on the road, especially during long trips. It makes me feel like my phone is practically built into the car. The sturdy design keeps my phone firmly in place, no bouncing around and sudden scares. I can be confident that my phone is secure enough to stay put. The design is sleek and elegant, and even has a lid that can accommodate phones with pop socket covers. That was a game changer for me. Since I use a metal magnetic cover, I do not even need to use the extra metal plate. The magnetic base is strong enough to attract my phone and hold it securely. So if you're looking for a simple, stylish, and reliable way to keep your phone within easy reach while you're cruising down the road, then the Scosche Magic Mount is definitely worth checking out. It keeps your phone secure and visible, and it's perfect for that fast and for your dream journey you're always imagining.
And that's my point of view.